right, guys, we're doing Bob Seger, Shame on the Moon today. Another hard request. And let's take a listen to this intro here. I've got piano sound layered with a harpsichord sound, some reverb and chorus on it. So it just does that chord progression 4 times in a row at the beginning. But hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. Here's the part 1 we're about to do on YouTube and Facebook, and all the lessons for this song are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your mobile devices, desktop computers, laptop computers, phones, tablets, whatever you use to learn your piano lessons. And I do have beginner lessons on the site. If you are a complete beginner or need a refresher course or just need to get used to my method, I do have 79 beginner lessons on the site. But I'm going to just go to piano sound here because the piano and harpsichord may kind of grate on your ears after a while. Just trying to kind of emulate the guitar strumming because there's no piano at the beginning. The piano does come in later prominently. Right here at the beginning, it's not really much of a factor, so we're just going to kind of play what the guitar's doing. Sorry. So 4 times on that, and 2 times is the intro, and the next 2 times Bob's singing, and then we keep going. So keep going there, but at the beginning we do have A on the left hand. You can do an octave or just a single note. Now the right hand's gonna kind of do strumming there. A on the thumb, and then C sharp E A is the chord. So the pattern I'm gonna do to try to emulate that guitar strumming, I'm gonna use the thumb, left thumb, right hand thumb, then the whole chord, or just the top part of it, C sharp E A. So left, right, right, right. So 2, 1, 2, da 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 da. So you do the first chord for 2 counts. 1, 2, 1, 2, da 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 da. So there you hear the, here you go down, G sharp A, G sharp, F sharp, da 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 da. 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here I'm just gonna play the left hand F sharp, then the right hand A, and then the whole chord for A, C sharp, F sharp. Ba, 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 ba. Then I do it here. And it goes back and repeats. So in slow motion from the very beginning, 1, 2. Next measure, 1, 2. Da, 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 da. 2. You do it again. We're still on the intro. Time the singing starts. And the 4th time the singing is going still. So there you have the 1, 2. On count 2, it's just going to go bop. You play that chord again, the F sharp minor, and then G sharp B E and left hand on E. So bum, bum, bum. We'll continue on in lesson 2 there. So there's our part 1, and hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'll see you on webpianoteacher.com. We'll do the whole thing. All those neat little piano fills, they're all in there, and I'll show you all of that good stuff on the website. Talk to you guys later.